Okay. You want to walk? Okay. Oh, come on then. Mind your arms. Good boy. So yeah, gets more into the nature and the forest now. Our favourite. Don't worry, I'm not chasing you. Even though you like it. But yeah, it's all well, obvious to the left, it's all forest. I'll just be quiet until there's something really worth saying. What? Careful. Be careful. Please. Be careful. Are you pushing it? Okay. What do you want to hold the camera, Hugo? Do you want to hold this? But don't drop it, yeah? Hold it. Do not drop, please. Do you want to hold it here? Hold it on this. Hold that. We're both hands.
Hold it how you want.
Okay, I'll hold it, yeah. Yeah, come more this way, so you don't trip on any rocks. Good view again. Oh look, Hugo, the aeroplanes in the sky, 2 of them. DOS aeroplane, you see? And the balls on the cables. Oh, and the moon. Be careful. Hugo, stay with me. Good boy. Don't show your belly, you'll get cold. Oh, it's much warmer in the sun. Careful. Whoa. Oh, here you go. Right. That's what we got to be careful of. Cyclists and joggers. And wild pigs, which I've bumped into before. Not here, but somewhere else up in hills. Don't start with that, Hugo, man. Please. Not yet. What was I saying? Yeah, wild pigs. I came across a mother and her piglets. Totally almost had a heart attack. I was ready to just jump off the side of a wall. Thankfully it went another direction, but ran into the town. They invade the bins here. Are you gonna sit? Yeah, I'd rather. Yeah, sit.